This is something that me and I am Pooh 80122 decided to do with a few guns that someone gave me. You'll see in about, I want to say 10 seconds of what he does. He's starting off over at Claptrap's place, and then you'll see what I mean. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh God.
Just keep going.
I'm almost dead. I am almost dead.
Yeah, the audience can see that as well.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my
You're gonna be fine.
Stop saying you're my good. Alright. Well, that was. You know this is still gonna continue to go, right?
Okay, I am charged up. Ready to go.
And fire. He's doing this by just.
Oh God, it got stuck again.
No! God dang it! Oh no, you looks like you're doing.
I'm going.
He's going! He's going! Okay. Yeah, just that. Oh my god. And that is what we do in our spare time. Please be sure to like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. It's a PM Pokemon 908. Signing out.